Hey, welcome to the Ogura Corporation Q1 Awards ceremony. We have a nice day for this, and a good group of folks have joined us. From Ford, I'd like to introduce the representatives of the Ford Supplier Quality Office. We have Vivek Mundada. Vivek is the Supplier Technical Assistance Engineer that worked with us as we launched the knee locker product. He also worked extensively with us as we prepared for the Q1. We also have Jason Dryja, who is Vivek's replacement. Vivek has moved on to other products, so now Jason will be our STA. And we also have Greg Smith, who is the STA manager with Ford Supplier Quality. From Ford Purchasing, we have Luke Peterson, who is our buyer. And we also have Susan Project, who is purchasing manager for Ford. Okay. We also have visitors from Ogura Clutch. We have Mr. Ogura from Ogura, Japan. Mr. Ogura is president and CEO of Ogura Clutch Company. We also have Mr. Inoue from Japan also. He is senior director of Ogura Clutch. And from Brazil, we have Mr. Bueno, who is president of Ogura Brazil. So we'll start the official handoff of the plaque in a few minutes, but before we do, I wanted to explain a little bit about the Q1, because I think it would be helpful if I kind of explain some of the requirements and what we had to do to get to this point, because I believe most of you, if not all of you in this room, had a significant contribution in getting us where we are today. The Q1 today is quite a bit different than it was 20 years ago when we received it at the Madison Heights facility. The requirements are quite a bit broader. We have quite a bit more to do to be eligible for Q1 today. I'll just run through the list of the basic requirements. First is we have to be TS 6949 certified. We also have to be ISO 14001 certified. So those two certifications, the environmental and the quality certifications, are mandatory to become even eligible for Q1. And I know probably everybody in this room works from an ISO work instruction or procedure, pretty much in your daily work. There's fill out a form on the floor. So basically, by complying with the 6949 and the 14001 requirements, you are fulfilling the requirements for Q1. In addition, Ford has some specifics over and above the ISO 6949 requirements that are outlined in what they call the Manufacturing Site Assessment, the MSA. And this is sort of a Ford-specific requirements for their quality systems, for the quality systems they expect their suppliers to have. And so, for part of the Q1 process, the preparation process, we had to assess ourselves by going through this questionnaire and seeing where the gaps were in our system that we had to fill in order to comply with Q1. And we identified a few gaps, and I think our system became better as we filled these gaps. For example, some of you are involved in putting together QoS measurables. Our quality operating system today, after going through the process, is much stronger than it was before. One of the key things that's different with the Q1 is the MMOG requirement. The MMOG stands for Manufacturing Materials Operations Guide, which is also an assessment, but it's geared for materials management, supplier development, how we handle processes inside our plants to move material from receiving to finished goods and delivery to our customer. When we went through the assessment for the MMOG, we identified a lot of weaknesses in our system. We weren't quite meeting the Ford requirements. And by working together as a team, you all helped fill these holes. For example, there are areas that required input from production control, purchasing, IT got involved heavily, shipping and receiving, quality, and even the sales team had to do some key things to comply with MMOG. So it took a lot of effort by many of you in this room to make our MMOG assessment up to the level it needed to be to qualify for Q1. And so, in addition to these systems changes we had to make to qualify for Q1, we needed to have ongoing quality performance. So we needed to have supplier quality, delivery ratings, as well as quality and delivery ratings as measured by Ford to achieve the minimum levels for Q1. For example, this would include, for quality ratings, there would be quality rejections, QRs, and parts per million rejects. And anybody who touches a part has an impact on whether we get a QR or a rejection. If you know, thanks to all of your efforts on the floor when you touch a part or inspect a part, by preventing defective product from getting to our customer, we're able to achieve the quality level in the Ford system that we needed to be at to qualify for Q1. Same thing goes for delivery ratings. We had to ship to schedule. We had to send ASNs on time and they'd be accurate. So all of you that are involved in those processes had a role in us achieving Q1 today. And one of the final things we had to do for each of the sites that we deal with, customer sites, we had to ask them to sign a letter that basically certified that we were meeting their requirements for Q1. And this involved getting a letter from the Sterling plant, our main customer for the e-locker coil. They had to sign a document that said, yes, we endorse Ogura for Q1. Same thing for FCSD. Those of you who are involved in the FCSD product, the whole process. By achieving the quality levels we've demonstrated, FCSD signed this endorsement for us that we qualify for Q1. Same thing with supplier quality. Thanks to Vivek, he signed the endorsement for our supplier quality, and also for the MPNL, Material Planning and Logistics Group. Alicia Clemens was not here today, signed the endorsement for us there. So I guess I just want to say that this Q1 is a significant achievement, and you, as the Ogura team, contributed in the process of getting us to where we are today. And going forward, in the communications we received from Ford management when they notified us that we were going to be receiving this award, they wanted us to make sure that, yes, this is a significant achievement, but it's not the end of the road. It's part of the process. Going forward, we're going to have to continue to maintain our systems. We're going to have to continue to do everything we can do to ensure that we continue to send good quality product to our customer, and that we continuously improve our system. So with that brief overview, I just wanted to explain that, and I'll let you know that you all had a role in this award. Thank you very much. So at this point, we're going to do the formal presentation of the plaque. And Greg Smith from Ford is going to present the award to Tim Teller, our president. And we'll take a few photos here, so it might be kind of slow motion. So.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well, it's a great achievement, folks. The Ogura team, as Romy mentioned, if you listened or thought any of that at all, this is a heck of an achievement, and I'm real proud of everybody here. And I know I've got a few words to say, but I know Mr. Ogura does as well. And he's come all the way from Japan to recognize this event and be involved in it. And he provides us continuous support on a recurring basis. But he's got a few words for you, for everybody, before I give you additional information in regards to your achievement and what I have to say. But Mr. Ogura, if you've got a minute, you can come up here and
I'm sorry, I speak bad English. I need a good translator for Japanese to English. Okay. 皆さんこんにちは。オグラグループの本社から 来ました社長の小倉康弘です。本日は小倉グループの品質目標の達成を祝う表彰式にご出席いただきありがとうございます。今日このように小倉コーポレーションの皆さんにお会いし Q1 の授賞式に出席でき大変嬉しく思っております。
Hello, my name is Yasuhiro Ogura, President of Ogura Clutch Company Limited in Japan, the world's headquarters of Ogura Group companies. Thank you, everyone, for coming today to attend this award ceremony to acknowledge our quality achievement. I am so excited to see you all today and very happy that I was able to attend this Q1 award ceremony.
本日は報道者様より代表の方々も小倉コーポレーションの工場にわざわざお越しいただきありがとうございます。大変お忙しい中お時間をいただき弊社の Q1 の授賞式にご出席をいただいたボードの代表者の方々に深くお礼を申し上げます。
I would like to welcome all the four representatives to our Chesterfield facility today. In addition, I would like to thank you all the four representatives of taking the time away from their busy business schedule to attend our Q1 awards ceremony. We very much appreciate your attendance and participation in this award ceremony today.
本日、報道者よりいただいた Q1 の品質賞は大変ありがたく、知った Q1 の記念額と旗は品質達成及び品質の貢献への肖像としてこれをもって飾らせていただきます。しかしこの Q1 の受賞は弊社が報道者様より納入している製品の継続的な改善の第一歩に過ぎないことと承知しております。
We are grateful for the Q1 award that Ford have honored us with today. We will proudly display the Q1 flag and the flag as a symbol of our accomplishment and dedication to quality. We realize that this is only the first step towards continued improvement of our products supplied to Ford.
弊社の報道者様との歴史は1987年に遡りますので、長年にわたる取引関係を誇りに思っております。弊社は元は1991年にQ1 の認証をいただいております。1994年に日本のサプライヤーとして初めて報道者様より PQE を受賞いたしました。しかしその後マディソンハイツからチェスターフィールドタウンシップに移籍した関係で再度認証が必要となり約20年後に報道者様より Q1 の再認証を取得いたした次第です。弊社は長年弊社の非常に重要なお客様である報道者様との取引関係を将来発展したいと願っております。継続的な改善を通して引き続き報道者様のニーズと要求を満足することに重点を置いてお互いの成功を促進いたす所存でございます。
Our history with Ford dates back to 1987. We are proud of our long-standing relationship. We initially achieved our Q1 status in 1991, and we were also first Japanese supplier to receive the Ford PQE designation in 1994. And now, some 20 years later, due to our facility relocation from Madison Heights to Chesterfield Township, we are being recognized with another Q1 award. We hope to continue the expansion of our business relationship with Ford, our very important customer, for a long time with the future. For the long time into the future, we will continue to focus on satisfying the needs and the requirements of Ford through a continued improvement approach to enable and promote our mutual success.
この工場は2002年に設立いたしましたが、その当時の弊社の目標は、弊社と弊社のお客様の成功を促進する高品質の製品を製造するだけではなく、従来の空調用クラッチの領域を超えて、製品範囲を拡大することでした。本工場で現在生産しているデフロック用のクラッチ電池システム式コイルは、我が社が目標とする従来の空調用クラッチの領域を超えた製品そのものであります。
When we first opened this facility in 2002, our goal was not only to produce high-quality products that promote the success of our company and our customers, but also to expand the scope of our products beyond the traditional air conditioning clutches. The electromagnetic actuating coil for the locking differential that we now produce to Ford at this facility is just that, a products beyond our traditional air conditioning clutch products.
このように設立時に掲げた2つの目標を達成しましたので、私にとって今日は特別な日で、従業員全員をとりわけ誇りに感じております。弊社は再度フォード社様の Q1 認証の必要事項を達成し、さらに弊社の製品の領域を拡大するための一歩を踏み出しました。これは弊社のフォード社様との取引関係の新たな始まりでありますし、本当に皆様ご苦労様でした。良い仕事をしてくれてありがとうございます。
We have accomplished dual objects, and this is a special situation that makes me especially proud of all our employees. Not only have we once again meet the requirements of Ford Q1, but we have taken the initiative to expand our products. This is a good new beginning for our business relationship with Ford. Thank you to everyone for a job well done.
多くの皆様がご存知のように、私は20年前、小倉コーポレーションで働いていましたので、この会社に特別な関心を寄せています。長年にわたりさまざまな変化がありましたが、昔一緒に働いていた従業員の多くがいまだにこの会社で働いておりますし、会社の継続的な成功の鍵は従業員であります。従業員の懸命な働き、さらにこの工場が Q1 認証を獲得するために全従業員の努力が不可欠であったことをここに認識し、皆様の貢献および支援に本当に感謝をいたします。
As many of you may know, I once worked at Ogura Corporation, so I have always been paying close attention to this division of Ogura. There have been many changes over the years, but many of the employees that I once worked with are still working here today. Our employees are the key to our continued success. We would like to acknowledge their hard work and that all our employees' effort put forth as critical in enabling this facility to achieve the Q1 status. Your contribution and supports are really appreciate.
これはモーションコントロールのトップサプライヤーとしての弊社の成功を後押しする立派な素晴らしい業績です。弊社の将来は全従業員の継続的な支持と支援によって補強をされていきます。
This is an impressive and outstanding accomplishment that proves the success of our company as a premier supplier of motion control products. Our future will be reinforced through the continued guidance and support of all employees.
今日は従業員の方々に本当にくつろいでこの授賞式を楽しみバイキング形式のランチを味わっていただきたいと思っております。最後に弊社はフォード社様との長年にわたる良好な取引関係が今後も末永く続くことを非常に期待おりますことを強調いたしたいと思います。どうもご清聴ありがとうございました。Thank you very much.
I would like to encourage all employees to relax and enjoy this accomplishment today. My hope is that everyone truly enjoys their work and the buffet lunch. In closing, I would like to emphasize that we are very much look forward to continue our long-standing good relationship with Ford. Thank you very much.
ありがとうございました。
Thank you, Mr. Ogura. Appreciate it. Like I said, I've only got a few words that I can offer, but I am extremely proud of everybody here, that's for sure. And would certainly like to extend a warm welcome to our guests from Ford, who took the time from their busy schedules, of course, to attend this event that really means something to us, and I really do appreciate it. I know it's difficult with what everybody's got on their plate today. It's much appreciated. I also really appreciate Mr. Ogura and Mr. Inoue coming in all the way from Japan. They arrived yesterday afternoon. It's a long trip. Mr. Ueno also joining us from Brazil. That's even a longer flight. And he as well arrived yesterday morning. And you know, having these folks here makes this ceremony that much more meaningful. So I appreciate it. Certainly the Ford guests and Mr. Ogura, Mr. Inoue, and Mr. Ueno. It's much appreciated. And I think it goes without saying that they support us and are very interested in our success. So, with that being said, today we can certainly be proud of the success of our company. Successful companies don't simply concentrate on producing a product. They concentrate on satisfying their customer needs. I've discovered this primarily over the years working for and with Ogura Clutch in Japan. And we obviously embrace this same philosophy here at Ogura Corporation. That's with the emphasis on customer needs. All I can say is, Mr. Ogura, we really appreciate all the support and guidance that Ogura Clutch Japan provides to us on a recurring basis, as well as the Ogura Group companies throughout the world. It's a tremendous amount of support for our efforts, and we're really truly fortunate to have all those resources available for our continuous improvement in the quality of our products. The support from Ogura Clutch has, without a doubt, contributed to our success as a Japanese-American company. Ford guests of Ford Motor Company, we value our relationships with you. The confidence you have expressed with this award is a source of pride for everyone working at Ogura Corporation. At the same time, we realize that there is a responsibility associated with this designation. And we want to make sure that we live up to the confidence and trust that you've placed in Ogura Corporation. And let me assure you that we do everything possible to provide you with a top quality product. It's certainly not a responsibility that we'll take lightly. I'm certain of it, knowing the team that we have assembled here. In closing, which gets to the important part, the employees, I'd really like to emphasize we really appreciate all the hard work and effort everybody's put into this achievement. And without your efforts, it wouldn't have been possible to achieve this designation for our facility here. It's that simple. And it's really appropriate as well that we've coordinated this event with our annual Employee Appreciation Day, because they kind of go hand in hand, and we certainly need to meet the customer needs in order to have an Employee Appreciation Day. So I appreciate everybody's efforts. You're really crucial in enabling this to happen. It's critical. And it wouldn't be possible without your commitments. So I really have a great deal of confidence in the team and the staff we've assembled here. And honestly speaking, this award just reinforces that confidence that I have in you and everybody here. So all I can ask is please continue your support of our objectives for continuous improvement and the pursuit of excellence through providing a high-quality product to our customers. And lastly, certainly, please enjoy celebrating this well-deserved achievement today, and certainly enjoy the annual Employee Appreciation Day. But I thank you all very much. I can't say how extremely proud I am, and it's all because of everybody's efforts here.